Tom niggas on, bro. How long could you survive out in the wild?
Probably a while.
Hold on before you answer. You only have a rifle with we're gonna give you about 25 bullets. You a rifle. All necessary things you need, like start fire and shit. You know? Not a lighter, but like flame and shit like that. I give you a knife, and I give you a hammer. How long you gonna survive?
Shit, I'm probably gonna survive for a few years.
For a year.
I don't think
I'm pretty good with it being in the wilderness.
Nah, because you gotta think. Okay, so what did you say? All right, so 25 bullets, and you said a rifle, and then what? You said like what? A knife?
I'm gonna give you. Of course, you gonna have a knife.
Okay, so a knife.
So
and
you
what else?
You gonna be able to make it. You gonna be able to make a.
Yeah, I can like make
all the necessities you need to like a shovel, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Like, you feel me? Like every tool that you need.
Oh yeah, you tripping? I'm making a couple years.
Because a knife.
We need to take that left, miss. Thank you. Type shit. Oh shit! What the fuck? Hey yo! Oh shit! Yes sir. With the locals. With the locals, but we're not local. Damn. With the locals, but we not local. Damn. With the locals, but we not local. Oh. Damn, I don't think I got it on camera. Damn, man. We got Eduardo. I'm a two. Type shit. Who's gonna talk to those shit? Oh, you just talk to shit. I'm trying to take shit to the FM. Fuck my two. Just keep that motherfucker rolling. Alright. Fuck you got. Fuck my two. Type shit. That motherfucker. Oh shit! Keep it rolling. No, go ahead. Just like that.
Yeah! Tight shit. Bloody Rookie. Oh!
I'm fucking weak. Look at his board. Type shit. Here, give me G money.
Alright, I just want one more. And then I'm done.
Type.
The backflip, you missed that shit.
Did I not get on video? Oh shit. Do it again, bro.
Do it again.
The backflip.
Oh, you want me back there?
Yeah, man. Bust a move real quick, man. Type shit. Type shit.